How to get the best bulk discount promo codes. Looking to save on supplements and nutrition products? Bulk promo codes can cut costs by up to 45%, and here's how to find and use them. So, active deals include 45% off store wide, 25% off your first order, and extra 10% off January sale items. UK shoppers can also get £10 off verified orders. So you can find verified codes on Bulk's official website. You can also find it on coupon platforms such as Coupon Follow, Glamour Magazine, so you can find bulk promos in here, and vouchercloud.com. Signing up for Bulk's newsletter can also unlock exclusive codes. So to be able to use these codes at checkout, enter the promo code in the discount box. Codes apply best for bundles, protein powders, and clearance items. So always test codes before relying on them. Make sure to stack codes with seasonal sales, check expiration dates, and use first order discounts for maximum savings. Bulk promo codes are a reliable way to save. Stick to verified sources, apply them at checkout, and you'll pay less for supplements and nutrition essentials. And that is how to get the best bulk discount promo codes.